Neuro-linguistic programming (NLP) reframing. A new perspective. Imagine your mind as a dynamic gallery, where every experience and emotion is an artwork hanging on your internal walls. Traditional reframing in NLP can be thought of as a curatorial technique, where you reframe or reposition these artworks to alter how they influence your emotional landscape. The art gallery analogy. 1. Artwork repositioning concept. Just as moving a painting to a different part of a gallery can change how viewers interpret it, reframing involves shifting the placement of an emotional or cognitive experience in your mental gallery. Technique. Instead of seeing a challenging situation as a dark and gloomy painting, you can reposition it to a transformative and enlightening piece by altering your perspective. For example, a perceived failure can be reframed as a valuable learning experience by recognizing the growth it prompted. To a frame adjustment concept. In a gallery, the frame around an artwork can dramatically influence its impact. Similarly, reframing involves changing the frame through which you view an experience. Technique. Adjust the metaphorical frame around a negative thought or event. For instance, if you view a setback as defeat, adjusting the frame to see it as a step towards mastery can change your emotional response and motivation. 3. Gallery tour concept. Envision yourself as a curator giving a tour of your mental gallery. Each piece of art represents a different experience or belief. Technique. When you guide someone through their mental gallery or reflect on it yourself, highlight the artwork experiences that previously seemed unappealing in a new light. Show how each piece, when reframed, contributes to a richer, more complex narrative. 4. Exhibition theme concept. Just as exhibitions have themes that give context to the artwork, reframing involves creating a new theme that makes sense of your experiences in a more positive or constructive way. Technique. Develop a theme for your experiences that helps you integrate them into a coherent and supportive narrative. For example, shifting the theme from constant struggle to ongoing personal development can recontextualize difficulties as part of a broader growth journey. Practical application. Personal reflection. Use journaling to reflect on challenging situations and experiment with different frames or themes. Write down the original interpretation and then rewrite it using a reframing perspective to explore how it changes your feelings and insights. Visual rehearsal. Create visual representations of how different frames or placements alter the perception of your experiences. This could be through drawing, digital tools, or even mental visualization exercises. Reframing through the art gallery metaphor not only makes the concept more vivid and engaging, but also provides a creative approach to changing your internal narrative. By repositioning and recontextualizing your mental artworks, you can transform how you experience and respond to life's challenges.